Station 95.3 WBEV, powered by Daily Dodge.
Good morning and welcome into Hometown Today on 95.3 WBEV, powered by Daily Dodge. Wally Lukashinsky and Kale Zomer up in the WBEV studio with you this morning. And Hometown Today is presented by Professional Floor Covering. It's also brought to you by McKinstry's Home Furnishings in downtown Beaver Dam. Over at Professional Floor Covering, Randy and his team are here to help you design the perfect space. They have over 1,000 samples of carpet, LVP, hardwood, tile, area rugs, and window finishings, but it is so much more than floors. They have a wide selection of kitchen and bathroom countertops, cabinets, tile, shower inserts, and more. And I talked a little bit yesterday about the countertops. I feel like I got to talk about the floors today. Because I mentioned they got the carpet, the hardwood. I love the hardwood. They got the laminate LVP, the tile, stone, area rugs. There's just so many different types, styles, and brands of flooring. And Randy and his team will come out to measure, provide suggestions on the type of flooring at the price points that meet your budget. Professional Floor Covering is an Abbey Design Center, and you can find them at 713 Park Avenue in Beaver Dam or online at proflr.com. I'm excited. I love these Thursdays each month. It is our Chamber Spotlight, and we have an opportunity to get to learn a lot more about different businesses, groups, initiatives in the area. And we start today off with Noble Community Clinics, and we have Emily Dieringer and we have Dr. Seiler with us today. And how are you both doing? Welcome to the show. And I'd love to start with a little bit of background about how you became involved with Noble Community Clinics.
Yeah, so thanks for having us. I'm Emily. I'm a community engagement coordinator with Noble Community Clinics. I've been working with Noble for a little over a year. Not new to Dodge County. I was working with the Blue Zones Project starting in 2019, and I live in Thressa, so I'm very familiar with the area, and I love getting to be in community with community, making it easier for people to be healthy.
Well, and you've been with the group now for a little over a year. Mm-hmm. What was the first year like? What is it like being back, working right here? You said Dodge County for about 6 or 7 years you've been working. What is it like to be a part of this group?
Yeah, it's really great. Noble's very community-focused and community-oriented. We identify and address community needs and fill gaps as part of what we do, providing high-quality, affordable health care for everyone. And that's part of why I love doing what I do, because I want to make sure people have access and make sure we break down barriers and fill those gaps, especially when it's sometimes a little bit harder or makes it a little more uncomfortable or difficult to get access to healthcare services and be healthy and thrive overall.
Well, and Emily, you brought today Dr. Seiler with you. And Doctor, I would love to start, first of all, a little bit of background about yourself and how you became involved.
Yeah, so I grew up in Green Bay, and then I left for my training. I was in Florida, New York, and Ohio for a little while, so I came back home, and I've been with Noble for 3 years. I, got in medicine to help people, and during my training years, I did a lot of volunteering and so forth, just with a variety of groups of people who were like underserved and so forth, and so this was a good fit for me.
Well, I would love to dive in a little bit today for people that don't know as much about the group, how they figure out if they want to become or apply to be a member. How does that process work if people do want to be a patient going over there? How do they get approved for that?
Sure. Well, we take everybody. So you can, I don't want to say you just walk in our clinic door, but like we could do that if you, that works too. But you just call our 1-800 number and schedule a new patient appointment, or go online at nobleclinics.org and click the schedule an appointment tab to fill out really brief information. Someone will call you back to set up an appointment. So
it's simple.
Yeah, we take everybody. So if you've got primary or regular health insurance, commercial insurance through your employer, if you have BadgerCare, which is also Medicaid or Medicare, or if you don't have insurance or you've got really kind of crummy in health insurance, we have a sliding scale discount fee program, so you can pay cash for your services, and that program is based on household income. So we make it as easy as possible for anyone to get access to health care as we can.
Oh, and that's very needed. I know a lot of people, even like myself, before I came here, I was terrified. I couldn't go to the doctor because I'm like, my insurance isn't very good.
Yeah. Well, and too, it's like really confusing and hard sometimes for folks.
Yes.
So we've got people on staff that help you walk through that, to go through like, what kind of insurance do I have, or do I qualify for this or that? And we work with you, with our financial counselors, to help you go through that process. Even if you're like, I didn't know I qualified for that, or I didn't know I had that as part of my coverage. We've got someone to help you with that.
If somebody's like trying to become a member and do that, can they come in and ask you all these questions too? 'Cause
Yeah.
I know.
Not me. Don't ask
No,
me.
yeah, that's fair.
Like, I have a button that says need insurance, I can help. And that how I help you is say, go talk to Michaela.
That's smart. That's smart. So we'll be looking for Michaela, because I know I have my card, and half the time I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just bringing this along and praying that something good comes from this little thing.
Yep. So if you call to schedule an appointment and for a new patient to go see Dr. Seiler, you can have a appointment with Michaela, our certified financial counselor, ahead of time to go through all of that to make sure there's no surprises or no extra bills or anything like that. All the paperwork set up in place before you even have your first appointment.
Well, and if you want to avoid one of those surprises of getting the flu this time of year, I know this is when people got to get in for the vaccines. Is that something that you offer over there as well?
Yeah, so we have vaccines, we draw labs, so we have the flu shots, the COVID shots, all the childhood vaccinations that you'd need. And then those services are included in the sliding fee as well.
That's fantastic. Well, and this time of year, I always find myself getting sick. So is there any tips that you would be able to have for me or anybody else as we do get into that, wintry, Wisconsin, I can't do. You guys are tougher than me. But we get into this point of the year, what kind of tips would you have for me?
Avoid people. No, just
that's going to be really hard for what I do.
I know. That's why, other than that, Dr. Seiler has some great ideas.
I'll be in like a phone booth behind you next time. We'll just call in for you.
No, it's the simplest things and also the hardest thing to do, making sure your nutrition is good, getting enough sleep, washing your hands, the basics, but it's very difficult for people to do in general, is to take care of themselves, with proper nutrition and good sleep.
Good sleep. That's one that we definitely need to be utilizing more. And I feel like most people, you just, I'll catch up later. Later doesn't come a lot of times. No. So make sure you're getting good sleep too. And then, Emily, I do want to talk a little bit. Yesterday was the end of National Hispanic History Month, and I know that means a lot to this group. Can you tell us a little bit about why that is and what you did to celebrate this year?
Sure. Yeah, we are formed. Our roots, I guess, are in the civil rights movement of the late 1960s. So Noble Community Clinics was formerly known as Family Health La Clinica, and when we got our start, we had a bunch of folks in the Wild Rose, Watoma area who recognized that there was a lot of seasonal agriculture workers that didn't have any access to healthcare at all because they worked really long hours in the field. I know that a lot of folks around here can relate to that. If there's harvest work to be done or be planted, that's where you're at. So our kind of predecessors in the clinic went to the fields, literally serving patients in the field with medical care. So that's where we started, and we're still doing this today. So we have a mobile medical unit that goes around across the state, and we work with several different employers, egg employers, to provide access to high-quality healthcare for their employees during the harvest season, so like May to October. So you might recognize Seneca. That's one of our major employers that we work with, and we serve their employees by bringing mobile healthcare to their locations.
Can you explain a little bit more about what mobile health care is?
Yeah, it's a giant RV. It's all tricked out with our logo. It's got 2 patient exam rooms on it. It's got an onboard lab, and they just set up in a parking lot, and people get appointments, or they can walk in clinic, and we've got a doctor and a nurse and someone there to help them with all the paperwork. And we do a lot of chronic disease management, so type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure management and those kinds of things. But also if people need a vaccination for something, or they just need to get a well check, we do all of those services on site at those places. with
Do
our
you
mobile
have
unit.
a website where people can track where you're going to be? Where,
No,
Ah.
you have to know somebody to know where we're going.
Okay. It was like, all right,
That's
it
me,
sounds good.
right? No, but we do have a service area map that shows kind of where we were last year. So we go as far north as Cumberland, which is in the northwestern part of the state, and then we go all the way down to Janesville.
Wow.
Yeah. So
That's a big range.
Yeah, I mean, it tracks where the harvesting and planting and processing is going. So if you're doing peas in Mayville, that we might be there. Or if we're doing processing potatoes by Plover, we might be there. So it all depends on the employers that we work with and the types of crops that are coming in or getting processed during
That's
the
too
season.
cool. I haven't heard about this before.
Yeah.
I'll keep my eye out for the RV.
That's because you don't work as an agriculture worker, you work here.
I was a farmhand in college,
Hey,
mind
so
you
there
very
you go.
much. Boom.
All right, nice.
Got it. All right. Well, we got a winner there. Well, before we say goodbye, is there anything else that we should go over today or we need to know about Noble Community Clinics?
Just that we do more than just primary care
Yes.
in Beaver Dam. So we have 2 clinic locations. Our medical behavioral health clinic is right next to Aldi on Spring Street in the old Bassett building. And then our dental clinic is down by the Wayland Fieldhouse, kind of behind that. So we do dental services as well. And then behavioral health, we've got a therapist and a mental health nurse practitioner and a psychiatrist on staff, besides Dr. Seiler, who's an awesome primary care physician.
That's fantastic. The last thing for you, is there then like a website that people can go to, see all the things that you offer, different things like that?
Yeah, we have nobleclinics.org, so nobleclinics.org, and we're on lots of the socials, same thing, Noble Clinics. Or if you just want to call and get an appointment or talk to Emily, because that's what you really came here to do, you can call our phone number, which is 1-800-942-5330.
Well, perfect. Thank you both so much for joining us today. Looking forward to it. Hopefully I don't need it too much, but for my physicals and my vaccines, hopefully you get to see me before too long.
Yeah, come on in.
And can't wait.
Sounds like a plan.
Awesome. Well, we're going to take a quick break. We're going to continue Beaver Dam Chamber Spotlight Thursday right after the break here on 95.3 WBEV, powered by Daily Dodge.
Hi.